Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JABRA Elite 7 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily change your default from default to some other assistant on your phone. At first you have to open your app and wait a moment. After that we have to click on this gear icon over here and then voice assistant. Here we have our default of our phone and here is Amazon Alexa. After that we have to go to App Store if we don't have this app installed and we have to install this app. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.